If you use a portable generator, especially during bad weather, this is one accessory you do not want to overlook. Let's talk about the ultimate generator cover, one that's tough, smart, and designed to keep you safe no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. In interest of full disclosure, this generator cover was sent out to me by GenArmor, and this video is not sponsored. First up, this generator cover is 100% waterproof. Most generators are used during emergencies, and you guessed it, that's often during rain, snow, or high humidity. This cover keeps your equipment dry and operational in the worst conditions. And when it comes to electricity, the water is the last thing you want nearby. A soaked generator is a recipe for disaster. This cover keeps moisture out, protecting you and your home from electrical hazards. Now let's talk convenience. The top opens up easily for refueling. No need to remove the entire cover. Need to access the panel? No problem. Quick access to the plug-in panel saves you time and stress. And check this out. The 3 side wings roll up and hang at the top. That means while the generator is running, you've got a great airflow and great dissipation preventing overheating. So what if you're not using the generator? Drop the side wings and boom, instant dust cover. This covers everything on the generator. Have a generator with wheels and a handle? You can still push and move it easily even with the cover on. This cover isn't just a fabric cover. It's built tough with a high strength metal frame. It's protected by US invention patents, so you're getting something truly original. The US is expecting bad weather next quarter. Let's face the facts, inclement weather is always around the corner. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your generator, protect your home, and make sure you're ready. Check the link below to get yours today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Oh, and stay tuned. I'll most likely be following up with additional review videos on this product to demonstrate how well it performs in harsh weather conditions. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn notifications on for more gear reviews and emergency prep tips.